Hello everybody, welcome to McLaud Technology. My name is Ram, and today, actually doing a lot of stuff today. First is actually George. We'll go see George. George, eh? Oh, he just left me. Well, here's my boss, working hard. Eating some Jollibee. Just finished eating some Jollibee. I'm going to check up on George. And I think, so one of our customers, he actually bought a machine from us. And currently he had like a last minute order. So that, so pretty much he set up his printer in here and he started using our machine to, or shaker to start printing over here. So let's go meet him. So this is Kenzie. Let's see where he at. Here's George printing out, working hard like always. One order, and so this is Kenzie. What's up, Kenzie?
What's good, Bob?
It's good, eh? So he's the one that printed. He's the one that ordered our printers, and currently printing. Actually a lot. It was like a last minute thing. How many orders is it, Kenzie?
96.
96. So that's a lot. Which is crazy because he's trying to get it done today. 96 orders, and yeah, I don't know how he's doing it, but he's doing it. So how you liking the printer so far, Kenzie?
I'm loving it. I'm
loving it. Hey, there it is. So if you ever want to order yours, you know, go through our website, check it out, and yeah, having McLaud Technology, you can order it through there. Get your printers. Worth it. And yeah, let's go back to George because George, I don't know what George is doing. What are you doing, George?
Order.
Oh, that's an order right there that he's holding. And yeah, well, oh, is this the Planet of the Apes? Ooh. I actually watched it yesterday.
Nice.
Yeah, I watched it yesterday.
It's nice.
And it was, I still rate it at 7 though. Watch it?
What?
Planet of the Apes?
Once it comes to Netflix.
You know, wait for Netflix.
I'll watch 1, 2, 3, and 4 again.
It was a decent movie. It was a decent movie. Already at 7. I don't want to spoil it for you guys.
Cadlink now?
Using Cadlink?
Yeah. So the installation?
Oh, here it is. Actually, since while we're here, boss could explain about Cadlink.
Alright, so once you install the Cadlink, the first thing you gotta do is manage queue, and then make sure on the port is installed right there. You do TCP/IP. Let's say I don't want to mess it up right now. Let's do it. It'll show you that, and then if your printer connected to the internet, it'll show you the IP address, and then you just click OK. And then to double check it, you just gotta go to port properties, go to remote printing, and then make sure it has the right IP address. Alright. And the next step is ink order. Make sure your printer has the right ink order from left to right of your printer, visually. So what we have right now is cyan, yellow, magenta, and black. There's 2 black in the printer, but it counts as 1, and then 4 whites at the right side of the printer. Then after that, you can go to the properties, and then go to media setup. Make sure you have it on 24-inch. You can also add different types of sizes of your film. I'll click adding, and then create a row. Then you can add sizes. The next is color layer, processing option. You put it on underbase. For the white under black, we recommend putting on 50 to 60%, so your white wouldn't bleed on any colored shirt or black shirt. For the white percentage, we recommend also putting on 60. And these are color adjustment. If you're not getting the right color, you can mess with the settings, like clean black, color boost blend, or color boost graphics. So far we're on default settings, and then printer option, we don't normally touch those. Let's see. ICC profile, we recommend putting on sRGB plus iso-coated. That so far is matching all the colors, and then we check the spot color matching. And that's pretty much it, and then you're ready to print.
There it is. Thanks, boss, for showing us. A lot of people were having questions about it too, so. And now, you got it. Easy. It's pretty, I mean, it's really easy. Once you get the hang of it, obviously, it's gonna be a lot easier. So, yeah. Thanks, boss. Appreciate you.